Hi Fanshawe, I'm Andrew, your student life coordinator. Halloween is just around the corner, so we're here at McCulloch's Party Supplies and Costumes getting ready for the holiday. The FSU is hosting a Halloween pub on October 31st at 8 p.m. in the Outback Shack. Don't forget to come in your best costume as there's many prizes to be won. We've realized a lot of students are new to the country and haven't celebrated Halloween before, so we're here to give you a crash course on the holiday. One of the first Halloween traditions you should know about is trick-or-treating. It's when children get dressed up in costumes and go door to door saying the signature phrase, trick or treat. The treat usually being some type of candy. Other holiday traditions for the older crowd include going to costume parties, like our pub night, carving pumpkins, checking out haunted attractions, and watching horror movies.
Here's Johnny!
Be sure to check out the Library Media Services desk to rent some Halloween classics. If you're looking to pick up a costume for our pub night or any other Halloween event you may be attending, you can stop by a costume store like McCulloch's or visit any number of thrift stores in London for an affordable, new or used costume. From all of us at the FSU, we hope you have a safe and fun Halloween.